Alright guys, welcome back. And I got something new for you guys. Let's jump right into it. Let's go ahead and tear into this thing. So, I was researching online and I came across this company. And I kind of realized, because I'm a huge fan of Dan Bongino. He's an ex-Secret Service agent. And he would always talk about this company. So I looked it up online. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go take a chance. So I ordered a shirt. I ordered it's like their belt. And this should be a hat. Let's go ahead and open the hat first, because I want to go ahead and show you guys fast. I don't want to take your time up, because you know, if it take too long, videos get boring. Alright, so yeah, this is the hat. So this is a hat. We the People. And then they're known for their holsters. We the People holsters, American made. So let's see if it's American made, because you know guys, if you've been following this channel, I love American made products. Alright, so nice hat. Okay, let's see, look at the label. It just says We the People holsters, cotton, do not tumble dry. I usually don't wash hats, but interesting, it doesn't really say. So it has their cool logo up on the front. Little bill hat. Little snapback. It doesn't really say here if it's made in the US. Still, it's a cool logo. Look at that. Nice cool logo. That's weird. Doesn't say. But oh well. Moving along. Go ahead and put this right there. Toss that other stuff aside. Let's go ahead and look at their shirt. Let's tear into this thing. So this is the shirt I saw online. It was pretty cool. Let's see. Feels like just 100% cotton. I think it's a medium. Should be a medium. Yes, medium. Let me read the tag here. American made medium. Alright, so you guys can see the tag there. Let me see, it's kind of like weird. I don't know if it's cheaply made. I can't really tell. We'll wash it a couple times and we'll be able to tell. So if you guys can see, Spartan helmet, Molon Law. I believe it's Latin for come and take it. This feels nice. It just feels really thin. Honestly, that's my only gripe with it. It just feels really thin. It's nice. I like the Spartan helmet. That's why I got it. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Well, I didn't really look at this. It's just, I guess, a little promo. Thank you, continue support. 20% off the next purchase. If you guys want to use that, you guys can definitely use that. I'm gonna definitely critique all this stuff for a little while. All right, and then their last item, probably the most important, because this thing is expensive. I believe this cost me like $80. Expensive. And this is their, let's see, what is this? We the People stickers. We the People stickers. Get this out the way. And then this is the main thing. We the People holsters. This is what they're known for. In here, I have a tactical gun belt with talon buckle. And then it's in a medium. Completely made in the US. This is definitely made in the US. I know for sure. Yep. 100% made in the USA. 100% lifetime guarantee. If you guys can see that right there. It's kind of weird. But let's get into it. Not bad. I like that it comes in a box. It's kind of cool. It's like a belt. Well, it is a belt. But it's a belt. A tactical belt. So you can wear. And I kind of want to use it for like everyday. Alright, this is cool. Interesting. So I get interesting. So you kind of It's really, this thing is really thick, guys. So it's like it's made for a 34 waist. This thing is insanely thick. And I think it didn't really come with instructions, but I think this is, you can use it to like put a clip on there, if I'm not mistaken. I wish it would come with instruction because it didn't come with anything. That's the bad thing, unless it came with the paperwork. Let me see. Okay guys, no paperwork. So it's kind of unfortunate. Maybe in the back. Nope. It doesn't show anything. So I don't really know how to set it up. I'm assuming you clip it on like this. And I guess you fix the length here. I'm gonna have to put it on and just test it out. Just, I guess, to see see how it works. But this is really cool. This belt, you clip it on, comes off really quick, really easy. So even if one gets pressed in, it doesn't come off. This one, oh, that one did. Let's see. Nope. Interesting. So this is We the People holster. So it's like a belt and a holster, so you can hold your. It's meant to hold your handgun. You put your holster on there, which they make as well. They make specific holsters just for these guys, and they're really high quality. Really high quality from what I'm told and what I've looked into. And this belt, I'm gonna use it as a belt, and it's really thick. It's insane how thick and stiff this thing is. And then again, let me just show you guys. Made in the USA for a belt waist size 32 34. I'm sure you can adjust it. It seems really easy. We'll go ahead and try to adjust it again. Let's try that. I think you just pull, yep. So you just pull it like that and you adjust it. So you Velcro this thing, and you can attach it any length you want. And then you yank here and it becomes longer. And then I believe you just scoop it in here, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there you go. And nice. And then this is probably for your gun belt. I mean your holster, or you can put like a extra little magazine here or something. I'm gonna have to look online more, because you know what, I just picked it out. I wanted to pick it out, show you guys. It's a cool new item. I think it's really great, which I'm gonna definitely be using, and I'll give you guys an update on the next video. Maybe I'll try it out a bit more and then beat it up and see if it's cheap or anything breaks, and I'll give you guys an update on this. Alright guys, and that was it. This was We the People holsters. This is a couple of their products. It's what they're known for. Their tactical gun belt. Get this stuff out the way. Their hat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I make these videos because I like unboxing, trying new things for you guys, especially if they're made in the US. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Have a good one. Quick little update at the end of the video, guys. I tried on the shirt, and the shirt actually fits really nice. I like it because it's longer than normal, and since I feel like I have a longer torso, and when I reach up and stretch, I don't show my belly. And this is really nice because the length, it's really good. So if you hate short shirts, this is actually really good because it's actually longer than normal. And then the sleeves, to me they feel like they're tapered really well. So they're not all like a little big old tube. So it feels like they're tapered really well. So it's a really nice fit. Even though it's still thin, the logo's really cool. That's my only gripe with it. It's still really thin, but honestly, it wasn't too bad. The fit is honestly really, really good. Not a bad buy. That's pretty much it. Quick update. See you guys later.